guys, my name is Dina Baban with NPM 2481001. I'm from Faculty of Language and Arts, study program English Literature. In this subject, logic and philosophy, and then I will explain about the material philosophical intersection of logic. Understanding philosophy. Philosophy is the oldest intellectual activity in the history of human civilization. The word philosophy comes from the Greek philosophia, which means a love of wisdom. Philosophy does not stop at a theoretical definition, but encompasses the entire process of critical, deep, and reflective thinking about life and reality. And then object of philosophy. Philosophy has two types of study object. The first is material object, like everything that exists, both concrete, such as the universe, and abstract, such as truth, justice, and values. And then second, formal object. It is like the method or perspective of studying this object in a radical, systematic, and universal manner. Characteristic of philosophical thinking. Number one, radical. Probing to the root of the problem. And then the second, critical, not accepting anything at face value without rational consideration. And then the third, universal, not limited to one field but touches on all aspects of reality. And then the last is systematic, like structured and logical. And then branches of philosophy. Number one, metaphysics, like studies the reality behind the physical. Number two, epistemology, studies the theory of knowledge. And then the number three, ethics, like studies values and morality. And then number four, logic. It is like studies the principles of valid thinking. And then the last is sub-aesthetic, like the philosophy of art and beauty. In the context of this paper, emphasis will be placed on logic as a tool of thinking in philosophical activities. And then, understanding logic. Logic is the study of principles of valid and correct reasoning. In the history of philosophy, logic has been an important part of the methodology of thinking aimed at attaining truth. And then, origins and development of logic. Number one is classical logic, like developed by Aristotle. He composed the system of syllogism as the foundation of deductive reasoning. And then medieval logic, like maintained by scholastic philosophers such as Thomas Aquinas. And then modern logic, like evolved through mathematics and symbolization by figures such as Gottlob Frege, Bertrand Russell, and Kurt Gödel. And then the last, contemporary logic, has expanded into fields such as computer science, linguistics, and cognitive science. And then functions of logic, analyzing arguments to judge their validity, composing valid arguments in debates, reading and scientific discussion, avoiding logical fallacies, and then developing systematic and critical thinking patterns. And then types of logic. Number one is formal logic, like studies the form and structure of arguments, such as syllogism. And then the second is material logic, like studies the content of or substance of arguments. The third, traditional logic, like based on Aristotelian syllogism. And then the fourth, symbolic or mathematical logic, like uses symbols to represent logical relations. And then Number 5, inductive logic, like reasoning from specific cases to general conclusion. And then the last is deductive logic, like reasoning from general principles to specific conclusion. Uh, in this paper, the emphasis will be deductive logic, particularly its form known as the syllogism. I think that's all I can say about philosophical intersection. Uh, Thank you for your attention.